In this video, we are going to discuss about leading and lagging. So what is leading? Leading means advancing a payment, that is making a payment before its due date. For example, I have to make a payment after 6 months, but rather than making after 6 months, I am making the payment before 6 months, that is 5 months, 4 months, 3 months. So the first question that arises in my mind, that why will someone make payment before? Because he has certain expectations that foreign currency payable, expectations that foreign currency may rise, and when in the 6 month he will be going to pay, then he will have to pay comparatively high if he would have paid earlier. So let's take an example. For example, I purchased goods from UK. Now I am an Indian importer, so I will have to make payment after 3 to 4 months. But what I am expecting is that the price of pound will rise. So I can ask I can ask the seller that do one thing, rather than making payment after 3 months, I am going to make payment right now, or after 1 month, or after 2 months. That is advancing a payment, making a payment before its due date. Now moving further, let's discuss lagging. Now you can see the words of lagging are written quite far from each other, because it is postponing a payment, that is delaying a payment beyond its due date. For example, in the earlier example, the first one, that if I have to make a payment after 6 months, then rather than making payment after 6 months, I am making it more after, that is 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months. So that's lagging. Now why will I delay? The same example, this time I am going to delay because I am expecting that the price of pound will fall. But is it that easy? Leading and lagging is that easy? Otherwise everyone would have done it. So there are some things that need to be taken care of, like exchange rate movements. You must have certain information that yes, this is going to happen. Because if you have entered into lagging and after 6 months you have said that I will make the payment in the 8th month, and suddenly rather than price fall, the price rises, so have an adverse impact also. Now there is cost. Leading and lagging also, like you will have to cancel the forward contract if you have entered. So there are certain cost also that you will have to pay. Now discount or extra charge, like if you are making the payment after 6 months, so the seller from whom you are purchasing, he may ask to pay some extra fees